So this is one of my favorite quotes: the best way to predict the future is to create it. And here on the wall on the left, it's from Abraham Lincoln. So this goes back to history. We're all courageous to be here and to help make change in our industries. Being innovators is not an easy task. The word we hear the most is no. It's not possible. So you have to have a thick skin. Another favorite quote of mine that I just watched in a documentary about Joseph Campbell is that machines are creating new myths. And we recently just did a podcast half an hour ago with PI Apparel about how this technology, from a cultural standpoint, is hard for us to integrate right away because as a society, we're not used to these technologies. And that is also one of the reasons why it's important to understand that this factory of the future may not take place right away. It may not be that easy to understand for people that are not in the innovation space. But what we can do is lead and guide people in how to make this part of our reality.